Hey everyone, today I'll show you the best graphic settings for the mid to low end devices in Gangstar Mirage City. So once you are on the main dashboard of the game, go to the phone menu, then tap settings and select graphics. If you're using a mid or low end device, I recommend lowering the graphics quality from standard to smooth to reduce lag and improve performance. However, the game automatically adjusts the graphics settings based on your device's capabilities. I also recommend turning it off the anti-aliasing and set the visual style to default. But if the game runs smoothly on your end, you can gradually increase the quality to find the best balance between graphics and performance. And that's it, guys. These settings should help you give a smoother gaming experience on a mid or low end device. Thanks, everyone.